Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix OBS screen recording black screen issue. So if you are facing such issue, then what you could do is to fix it. So first of all, you could actually try completely closing all the running application. So come to this show hidden icon, and here if you could find, right click and just go to end task. Then do the same thing, right click anywhere at the bottom of the screen and go to task manager. So when you are taken to the task manager section, there is a pop-up window. So over here, what is to get any sort of applications opened up that is unnecessary, just right click and go to end task. Similarly, look for OBS Studio and do the same thing, right click and click on end task. Now that you've done this, you want to make sure to restart your at the same time. So click the Windows icon, go to the power button and click on so, shut down or maybe a restart. That is going to definitely fix the issue. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, then it could be the settings itself. So what you could do is, if you don't want to make changes with your settings, you could simply uninstall it, but make sure to save the data. So to uninstall it, you just need to go to control panel. So type in control panel on the search bar and open this up, after which you could go ahead and click on uninstall a program, locate OBS Studio, right click and go to uninstall. And here you could also find these pop-ups stating that whether you want to delete your data as well, but make sure to mark on the data as option, and that is going to help you out to fix. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.